Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit cryptocurrency, how to deposit e-gold on the Maiar wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the Maiar app. Then you have two choices. You can either go to the wallet section, and here at the wallet section you see the deposit icon, or you can tap on the middle icon on the screen and you will see all these the same icons, and you can choose the deposit from here. And when you tap on the deposit, you will receive your own personal QR code, and using this QR code you can transfer your e-gold or any kinds of cryptocurrencies to your Maiar wallet, or you can see below the QR code the address, and with this address you can also receive cryptos in your wallet. You can just tap on the copy and it's going to copy automatically your address and you can use that. Or you can just tap on share and you can share your QR code or address on social media. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one. Bye.